Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to continue adverbs of frequency. We're going to continue where we left off last week. Okay, so for this week we're going to first discuss the answers for this exercise that you already did, and then we're going to continue. We're going to do more exercises on adverb of frequencies. Okay, so let's start with this one. Okay, I hope all of you take out your E1, E2 or E3 in which you did this exercise on, and take a pen or a pencil to mark your own books. Okay, number one. Okay, as we discussed, the adverb of frequency must always come before the verb. Okay, verb is an action word. Okay, so here we can see the verb is a listens. Okay, radio is a noun, right? So the adverb of frequency must always come before the verb. Okay, so the answer should be he often listens to the radio. Okay, number two, the verb is read. Okay, so the adverb of frequency must come before the word read. Okay, so the answer should be I always read books at night. Okay, number three, the verb is early. Okay, so the answer should be Irfan is always early to school. Again, Irfan is always early to school. Okay, number four, the verb is loses. Okay, so the answer should be Meili never loses her things. Meili never loses her things. Okay, 5, Vijay has been to the robotic class. So the verb should be been. Okay, so the adverb should come before the verb. Vijay has never been to the robotic class. Vijay has never been to the robotic class. Okay, number 6, Miss Sharmila goes on a holiday. Okay, goes is the verb. Goes is the verb. So the answer should be Miss Sharmila seldom goes on a holiday. Miss Sharmila seldom goes on a holiday. Okay, 7, the man cycles during weekdays. Okay, cycles is the verb. Okay, so the answer should be the man seldom cycles during weekdays. The man seldom cycles during weekdays. Okay, number 8, Jaslyn eats bread for breakfast. So the word eats is the verb. Okay, so the answer should be Jaslyn sometimes eats bread for breakfast. Jaslyn sometimes eats bread for breakfast. Okay, number 9, my mother wears cheongsam to work. Okay, the word wears is the verb. Okay, so the answer should be my mother sometimes wears cheongsam to work. Again, my mother sometimes wears cheongsam to work. Okay, number 10, Sigat visits his grandmother who is living in Sabah. Okay, so the word visits is the verb. So the word often, the adverb of frequency often should come before the verb. Okay, so the answer should be Sigat often visits his grandmother who is living in Sabah. Okay, very good. I hope all of you have done marking your books. Okay, if you get all correct, then it's excellent. Okay, I hope you are doing a good job. I hope you continue to do these exercises that I give you, and we will discuss the answers together. Okay, so now let's continue to the next exercise. Okay, so this exercise Let's read the instruction first. Rewrite each sentence using suitable adverbs of frequency. Okay, so for this exercise, they don't give you these adverbs of frequency. What you have to do is you have to identify by your own. Okay, so just by reading the sentence, you can actually find out which adverb of frequency to use. Okay, it is it's more like logic. Okay, so let's see number one. Let's look at the example. Okay, father jogs at the park because he is busy. Okay, so if someone is busy, do you think they will jog at the park often? Definitely not, right? Okay, if someone is busy, they will jog at the park very seldom. Okay, they seldom jog. Okay, right. So the answer should be, and also where do you put the adverb of frequency? You put before the verb, and the verb is jogs. Okay, so the answer should be father seldom jogs at the park because he is busy. Okay. Okay, number two. Now let's look at it again. Okay, how do you choose the adverb of frequency? It depends on the sentence. You have to read the sentence first, and then only you will know which adverb of frequency is suitable for that sentence. Okay, so my father washes the car because he likes it clean. Okay, if you like your car clean, do you never wash your car? No, right? If you never wash your car, definitely your car is going to be dirty. Okay, if you seldom wash your car, it's not going to be clean. If you sometimes wash your car, also it's not going to be clean. Okay, so the answer should be either always, definitely not always lah. Okay, it's impossible for your father to always wash the car. If he always washes the car, then he has no time to go to work, he has no time to eat, he has no time at all, right? He always washes the car, right? So you can probably say he, or often you can probably use often. So my father, and where is the verb? The verb should be washes. Okay, so the answer should be my father often washes the car because he likes it clean. My father often washes the car because he likes it clean. Okay, so for 3, 4, 5 and 6, I would like you to try on your own. We are going to discuss next week. Okay, so now let's look at the last exercise here. Okay, so for this exercise you have to construct sentences. You have to construct sentences. So awak kena bina ayat guna adverb of frequency. Okay, you have to construct sentences using adverb of frequency based on the schedule below. Okay, as you can see the example here, it's Jaslyn or she. Okay, it is always going to be Jaslyn or she because this is Jaslyn's schedule. Okay, you cannot put other people's name. You cannot put Adam or Ame or whatever because this is Jaslyn's schedule. So we are always going to use the subject Jaslyn or she. Okay, because she's a girl. Okay, so how do you do this? Okay, let's look at the example first. Okay, number one, Jaslyn always brushes her teeth and showers in the morning. Okay, if you see brushes her teeth and showers in the morning, you can see every single day she brushes her teeth and showers. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Every single day she brushes her teeth and showers. So that is why we use always, because at all times she brushes her teeth in the morning. Okay, so that is why we use always lah. Okay, number two, she never plays computer games at night. So let's look at plays computer games, and let's look at night. Okay, night is evening lah, right? Okay, let's look at if there's any plays computer games. So there is no plays computer games at all. That is why it says never. Okay, never, not at all, because she never plays computer games at night. Okay, how about afternoon? She does play games. She does play computer games at in the afternoon. Okay, so that is why it uses never. Okay, so how are you going to construct sentences? Okay, first Okay, first things first. Okay, you have to choose one. Okay, I don't want you to choose this one, brushes her teeth and showers, because the answer is already here. Okay, I want you to choose anything. Okay, let's say for example you choose watches television. Okay, let's say you choose watches television. Okay, so watches television is 3 out of 7 days. You can see on Tuesday, on Wednesday, and on Thursday she watches television in the afternoon, out of the 7 days. So if it's 3 out of 7, which adverb of frequency is suitable? Is it always? Wrong. Always is always. Okay, is it often? Often is more than half. Okay, is it sometimes? Yes, the answer should be sometimes, because it's like 50-50 lah, right? So you can construct a sentence maybe like Jaslyn sometimes watches television in the afternoon. Again, Jaslyn sometimes watches television in the afternoon. Okay, we put the adverb of frequency before the verb, which is watches. Okay, these are all verbs. If you see, watches is verbs, sweeps is verbs, all these, visits, read, brushes, plays, does, watch, all these are verbs. So these adverbs of frequency must always comes before this. Okay, done. Okay, next sentence. Okay, probably you can say, okay, if you do let's say you choose reads books. Okay, you choose reads books. Okay, there's only one, right? There is only one reads books in the afternoon, right? So if it's only one, we use seldom. Okay, we cannot use never. Never is never at all, right? We can probably use seldom. Okay, so we can say Jaslyn seldom reads books in the afternoon. Okay, we can say Jaslyn seldom reads books in the afternoon. Okay, so it's very easy, right? Okay, so I want all of you to do at least 5 sentences, not including examples. I want you to do at least 5 examples, 5 sentences that you have to construct on your own. Okay, and for this exercise, okay, I don't want you to write this sentence first and then only you write again with the adverb of frequency. No need. You can straight away write the correct answer. You can straight away, number 1, write father seldom jogs at the park because he's busy, straight away. Okay, and then you can continue 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you understand what we learned today. We are going to meet again next week. Goodbye.